welcome to another Snap with Chance vlog. I hope you guys are well. I'm kidding guys, I'm kidding. But yeah, welcome to another video. Yeah, right now we are heading to car meet. It's in Lenasia South. Yeah, so to car meet, it's some Valentine's whatnot. I don't know if it's a Valentine's Day celebratory whatnot, but yeah, it's a car meet. It was supposed to happen last week on the 5th, I think, and yeah, it was postponed due to bad weather. So yeah, today's the day. Today's the 12th of Feb. So yeah, today that's where we're heading. I'm gonna meet up with my homeboy Keegan, Mr. Keeks, if he's there already, but I think he's there because he said he was actually invited to be there and to shoot the whole thing. So yeah, the event started at 12 o'clock. Right now it's currently 3. I'm a late bird, I know. Sorry guys, but yeah, I hope we get there and get some sick content. It's been a while since I've shot something and felt excited about editing it and posting it for you guys. It's been a while since that has happened, so I hope today that's gonna happen. But yeah, let's head there right now, get some sick content, get a few people maybe to put features on their cars pretty soon or some other days. But yeah, talk to you guys when you get there, and yeah, peace. Okay guys, yeah, we just made it over to the car meet. Right now I'm gonna walk around, show you guys the cars that are here. Well, I don't think it's a bad turnout like Keegan said it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around, show you the few cars, and then yeah, maybe later on we'll go to another car meet. I'm not sure, but we'll see from there. Keegan the vlogger.
What's cracking? What's
How's it?
easy, boss?
Yeah. So you said you were going this side to vlog and capture the content this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the turnout wasn't so nice, I
So you
guess.
still say the turnout is not so as you expected it.
Not as I expected. Look how nice is this thing.
Alright.
You can't go wrong with the Conquest, guys.
Never.
You can never go wrong.
So that's the R33, you know?
Yeah.
34. So yeah guys, we have a 34 and a 33. These cars look clean. You don't usually see these cars anywhere, especially what in SA. Car meets I usually see a lot of people playing sound. Clean looking Toyota Taz. I think that's a Taz. Toyota, right? Oh my brother, the Kia Picanto. These wheels look big though. DD drive. Alright. Oh, and of course, us. Some JDM content over here. 1400 Nissan. Sick. VW. What is this, a Fox or a Jetta? Not really sure. But it's sick. The VW Buzz. Some vintage looking car. I'm kinda liking the look though. Pretty unique. Guys, look at this car. Guys, these are goals, man. 36 M3. How's it? I don't know if you guys saw, but one M3, E36 M3 was retailing for like 1.2 million. Damn. This might be a bag, Nissan hot body. I think it's bag. Oh, but this car looks super clean. I think we have like a competition sound happening here. Look at the windshield, guys. What the hell? What sound is in this car? You ain't gonna leave no ghosty. I have a motherfucking ass kick. I'm home like this. Stop home for me to do more. We gotta bring my crew back down. I'll never see you for that. Some GDM babies that side. Well, yeah, pretty clean. So maybe you could do some work. This is for the JDM fanboys. R34 GTR. And R33 GTR. JDM fanboys, which one you taking? Let us know down below. There really was a time when I used to be in love with the Mark 1. I don't know, but I still might get Golf 1, the Velocity, or if not like a City Rocks, but damn. 135i. Also a nice car. Pretty clean. And of course in E30, how can we go not know E30 boxes? We have mad love for these cars, man. What do you guys think about the Unimark? Do you guys think it's dope? It's one really unique car over here. I just spotted another unique car. I think they're really rare. It's a VW Mark 7 Top Sport. I really like this car, man. Still stock, I think. There's the bucket seats. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really cool. In the eye and you can start reading it. This is what it takes, man. Just had to call us and switch it off.
What the hell?
So, yeah, Matic, just walk with us, conscious, talk with us. See, we be painting pictures and we be writing scriptures, right. You know, yeah, we was in the heights, OG tried to sell me Cartiers. With my crown, we some kings like a card in solitaire. Sticking to the script, that's what got us here. If you in the way, we stepping down like a barber chair. We was all downstairs, Molly vibes till the smoke was clear. Nephew came in, told him, boy, yo, go upstairs. Listen for the kids, yeah, cover ears. Had to put in order all of my fears. Now when I step out, I'll be well prepared.
Yo, pop out anywhere, yeah, we was never scared, yeah. We was everywhere, yeah, but you was never there. People love to compare, yeah, but we just never cared. We just always did our thing. Every year we took the stairs. Back when Bill ain't have a bed, we will always volunteer. Now we young pioneers, yeah, they see us switching gears. We some future billionaires, reppin' Brooklyn everywhere. So it's RIP to Pop, they know the smoke will never clear. Word.
Still on track, never off the trail.
Always bounce back, yeah, we still prevail.
Got our weight up, now we tip the scale.
Now we way up and we living well.
All we do is win, they wanna see us fail.
Me and Dill back to back like we Chip and Dale.
Now the price is going up in the ticket sales.
All we do is show and prove, we don't kiss and tell.
Hand to your lip, we honoring the code. I'm known to go, beast can't compete when I'm in that mode. Catch me in a bubble, moose knuckle for the winter cold. Corner stories and they all posted with a liquor sold. 40s and shorties, HNIC, we move with aggression, learn lessons in the NYC. I'm from where you see a baddie, you just say Benaki. Bumpin' Hove in the club and I ain't need no ID.
They ain't think we make it, they had no idea. We just keep it coming like it's diarrhea. Posted in them galleries, always been them overseas. Price going up like a slice in the pizzeria.
R33. This is a GTR. Where is he going with the R33? And a 34 in Bayside Blue. People with money, guys. People have money out there. Oh, sounds. Just passing by. Now, but this car, guys, you can't tell me you don't like this car. Never. There is no absolute way. There's no way.